Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Soundcore by Soundcore Life U2i wireless neckband headphones and you need to do a hard reset to factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first is troubleshooting. If your earbuds will not connect to Bluetooth or they won't sync or pair with your device, or if you're having any kind of sound issues or any connectivity issues, a hard reset will fix a lot of these issues. The other reason is if you just want to have all of the pairing history deleted so that you can start fresh and pair them with a new device without having to worry about them connecting to a different device, you can go ahead and do this. It's pretty easy to do. All you need to do is come down and on the band, you are going to find the volume up button and the D button here. And we're going to press and hold those two buttons for 10 seconds. Just continue to hold them for 10 seconds, and after about 10 seconds, you'll see the band will blink red twice, indicating that the hard reset has been completed.